Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will share 2 Halloween cards that I created using iCrafter's Halloween Treat Lantern. And this is an older product from iCrafter, but I haven't used it. I believe I haven't used it in a video anyway. I have used it off camera but not on camera. So I wanted to pop in and share that you don't always have to use your interactive die sets in the way they are intended. So these will be 2 standard or regular A2 cards and not a lantern. You could create this really cute lantern with all of the cutout shapes and everything, but I didn't for this video. So I loved these cards that I created for today. This is my cup of tea. It's my color combinations, and this is how I like my Halloween cards to be, or all of my cards. Who am I kidding? I always want them to be happy and bright and fun to watch. So I cut out all of the pumpkins and adhered a white piece of cardstock behind the faces so they so I could stack them any way I liked. And the banners there that I cut out of black, they are from the double carrier, also from iCrafter, and I just cut it out of black. You can see some bats to the right in screen. They never made it to this card, but I will use a couple of them on the second project that I created. So you will see here the one pumpkin in all of the clusters I will raise up, and the other 2 I will have stacked just flat down to my card base. And you can see here I'm picking up both of the 2 and adhering them at the same time, just to not make them shift too much. I will cut off all of the excess pieces here, and I will reuse a couple of them for my second card. And you can see the banners and everything. I just cut it all off, and you can see how much nicer it looks when it's all cut down. And I cut it down slightly sideways as well, so I could have a little black border around my card panel. I just think this finished off our first card nicely, just to have that little black showing through and making it look a little bit more cohesive with our banners there. So that is our first card, and as you can see, by the way, I started with my center hello happy Halloween sentiment just to make that really stand out, and I cut it out of gold, and I will do the same thing for this card. I will stack them a little bit differently. You can see I have it a little bit more crookedly, looking more Halloweenish, and I will have my pumpkins in the center for this card, and I'm raising them all up for this project just to make them stand out a little bit more. And since I had dimension, I will stack the dimension twice. You can see here I'm just fiddling around with that, just to make it all stand out and to be this really cute scene. And I will lift it up. I was a little bit off-centered here, so you will see that I'm carefully lifting everything up, making sure that I like how my clusters look and that my Halloween sentiment is in the center there. And then I will play around with the banners. So that is what I started off with this card, just making them go around my centerpiece here. And I will continue to adhere them down to my card panel here. And at the beginning here, I thought I was going to make them sort of look like a pattern, but then I just put them down randomly. I think that looked better in the end. And you can see some of the parts are going outside, and I will cut them out and cut them off and reuse them for other parts of this card. So for the example, that little one will go here. So that is also fun that you can extend your banners and have them in different ways. So that is cute. And now our pattern is starting to look good. I will take some of the little bats and play around with the placement for those. And I used just some liquid glue and curve the wings a little bit just to get some more dimension. And for this card, I wanted to have some more color since a lot of it was black. So for this card, I just have a white card base and adhering some orange paper that matches our pumpkin. And then I will adhere my panel on top of it. So that finished off our 2 Halloween projects for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. It really helps me out a lot, and it would be super fun if you can leave me a comment down below telling me which of these 2 projects you like the most. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!